Hello, my name is Wan Currency Charity Mama Khalid. My magic number is S60444K2A1. I will be presenting about my individual assignment on topic revenue recognition for SCT 31012 Financial Accounting and Reporting 2. The company I was assigned for is ORION IXL Berhad. First, I will be talking about the company's background. ORION IXL Berhad was founded on 1st August 2001. It is formerly known as Civil System Berhad before it changed its names in March 2016. The company and the group involved in technology sector. ORION IXL Berhad is a public limited liability company that was incorporated and domiciled in Malaysia. ORION IXL Berhad listed on the S of Bursa Malaysia Security Berhad. This is the illustration of the company's corporate structure with the names of the groups and the amount acquisition interest of the groups owned by the company. Next, I'll be talking about the accounting policy and standard related to revenue recognition by the company. The company applied 3 accounting standards, that is, first, Malaysian Financial Reporting Standard (MFRS), second is International Financial Reporting Standard (IFRS), third is the Companies Act 2006 in Malaysia. To recognize the revenue of the company, they use MFRS 15, that is revenue from contracts with the customer, by applying 5-step process of recognition revenue, which is first step is identification of contract, second is identification of performance obligation, third is determine the transaction price, fourth is allocation of price to performance obligation, and fifth is recognition of revenue. The timing of the company recognize the revenue is the group recognize the revenue when it transfers control over a product or service to a customer at the point, unless these 3 overtime criteria is met, is shown below. Now I will talk about the revenue of the company. There are 3 types of revenue, which is also the main category of revenue received by the company. There is sales of goods, rendering of services, and other revenue, that is interest income. Recognition and measurement of revenues by the company and the group. For system development and software installation provided by the group and the company, they are recognized over time based on stage of completion, and it is determined based on proportion of costs incurred for work performed to date over the estimated total cost. While for service and maintenance, they are recognized over time based on the contract period as and when the services are rendered to the customer. Then, for sales of software provided by the company and the group, they are recognized at the point of time when the goods are delivered and accepted by the customer. Next, the main revenue of the company and the effect of main revenue from the pandemic COVID-19. This is the list of the main revenue made by the company and the groups. The company engaged in the computerized maintenance management system (CMS), while the group engaged in the complement of core CMS business. As you can see, the goods and services and the only services by the group. The effect of the main revenue of the company due to COVID-19. As at 13 June 2020, the revenue increased RM 8.70 million compared to the end of 13 June 2019 of RM 5.70 million. This is due to medical technology and supply. There is hospital information system HIS that contribute a lot to revenue, while the CMS market, which is their main revenue, was expected to be solved by the group due to the slowdown in new construction and infrastructure project effect from pandemic COVID-19. However, despite the group having higher revenue, the group also suffered a loss after tax of RM 3.9 million. So, my opinion on whether the accounting for revenue for the company has been made in accordance with the relevant standards. Yes, the company used to accounting the revenue accordance with the relevant standard because they apply with 5-step process of revenue recognition from the MFRS 15. Since they use the MFRS 15, the company also recognize revenue, defeat the transfer of promises goods or services to the customer, and an amount of consideration expected to be exchanged for the goods or services.